In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Admin Collaborator to Constant Contact. Adding an Admin Collaborator is a simple way to give someone the right level of access to help manage your account. This is especially useful if you work with a teammate, an agency, or anyone who needs to assist with campaigns, lists, or account settings. Before you begin, make sure you are signed in to your Constant Contact account and that you have permission to manage users. Also, it helps to confirm the collaborator's correct email address ahead of time since the invitation will be sent there. Once you are on your Constant Contact dashboard, go to the top right corner of the screen, locate your profile name or the area where your account name appears. Click on your profile name to open the account menu. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to the section where you can manage different account preferences and administrative options. Inside Settings, look for the option called Manage Users. Then click it. This area is where Constant Contact keeps the list of people who currently have access to your account. Take a moment to review this page since it can help you avoid inviting someone who is already added. It is also where you can later adjust roles or remove access if your team changes. Next, click the Add User button. This will open the form where you can invite a new collaborator. In the email field, enter the collaborator's email address carefully. A small typo can prevent them from receiving the invitation, so it is worth double-checking before you send it. After entering the email address, select the role you want that person to have. If your goal is to add an admin collaborator, choose the admin level role provided in the role list. Roles control what the person can see and do once they join, so choose the level of access that matches their responsibilities. When everything looks correct, click Send Invite. Constant Contact will email the invitation to the address you entered. The user will need to accept the invite to gain access, so let them know to watch for the message and check their spam or junk folder if it does not appear right away. That covers everything you need to know.